Children, now our English class. Okay, now I am going to teach one beautiful story for you. Okay, I am going to teach one beautiful story for you. It is about wisdom. Wisdom. How much wisdom you have, children? You have wisdom first of all? When we read books, we will get wisdom. No, this is wrong. We will not get wisdom. We will get knowledge. Okay? The wisdom is gift from God. Okay? The wisdom is gift from God. When we obey God's words, God gives wisdom for us. We cannot get wisdom from shops. Okay? We cannot get wisdom from shops or in marketplaces. Okay? You cannot steal wisdom from others or in okay you from your close friend. If your friend has wisdom, you don't has wisdom. So what you will how you will get children? Is it you will steal from your friend? No, we cannot get wisdom, okay, from any others, from shops, but only it is given by God. Only God has wisdom. Okay, now look at, are you ready to listen Clever Raman story? Yes. What is the name of the story, children? Clever Raman. Underline, put the date, children. Underline it. Clever Raman. Repeat after me words. Clever. Clever. Clever means wisdom. Clever Raman. 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 Clever Raman. So, let us begin our story. Raman was a wise minister. He is a wise minister in a king's palace. Wise minister in a king's palace. He lived in a big house. He lived in a big house. You have big house, children? Yes. He lived in a big house which had a huge means look at, means forest. Okay, forest means so many trees are there and we cannot see the things. So many trees, different trees. Okay, huge. He lived in a big house which had a huge garden. Look at, in his garden so many trees are there. We cannot find what we cannot find. If you keep any things in the in the garden, see, look at garden with all the garden is with the trees only. Many trees are there. If any thief comes, we cannot find. Any thief comes, we cannot find. Like that, his garden. Understand? He lived in a big house which had a huge garden. He did not water his garden for a long time. Long means so many days. So many days onwards, he is not pouring water. He is not pouring water to his garden. Understand? He lived in a big house. He has big house and also he had a big garden. Which garden, children? Huge garden. He lived in a big house which had a huge garden. He did not water his garden for a long time. Long means so many days onwards he is not pouring water. Okay, then next what happened, children? If you are not pouring water to a plant, then what will happen? It will die. It will die. Understand? If you are not eating every day, what you will become, children? How you are? How you will become, children? We will fall sick. We will looks like morbid. Morbid means sickly. Morbid means Sickly. We will looks like sickly. Okay. Sick person. Is it any person likes if we are sick? No. Understand? So what happened next? One day, two thieves. Two thieves. Thieves means robbers. Thieves means robbers. One day, two thieves wanted to rob Raman's house. Raman's house. They hid behind a huge tree. They hid behind a huge tree. Then next what happened? Raman and his wife saw them. Raman and his wife saw them from their room. See, look at, they are seeing, look at Raman and his wife. Okay, Raman and his wife saw them. Whom they have some children? Whom they have seen? They saw robbers. Robbers mean thieves from their room. Okay, who saw? Raman and his wife. Okay, Raman and his wife saw them from their room. Raman made a plan. Immediately, rushly, he did not go to the thieves. Okay, to bind them with the thread. He did not go, but because he is a clever man. That's why he is thinking. Okay, so we need to any problem comes, we need to think twice. Okay, what to do, what to do. We need to have foresight. Understand? We need to have foresight. Immediately we should not go rushly. Okay, Raman and his wife saw them. After seeing us what they are thinking, immediately they rushed when to bind them with the thread or to beat them? No. Raman and his wife saw them from their room. Then Raman made a plan. Look at, Raman made a plan. If you and I means will go fastly and we will beat them if anything is there in our hands. If stick is there, we will throw. Yes or no, children? And we will call all the people around our house. The thieves came, come here, we will call. Yes or no? But he is not like that. The clever Raman is like not like that. What he is doing? We will see. Then what happened? He said loudly, let us put all the jewels in this box. Okay, he said loudly, let us put all the jewels in this box and hide it in the well. I hide it in the well. See, you know well, children? This is well. Water is there inside. Understand? He said loudly, let us put all the jewels in this box. Jewels means earrings, watch, chain, and bangles, like these things. Jewels, gold one. He said loudly, let us put all the jewels in the box and hide in the well. Because he did not pour water to the garden. He is cleverly thinking, children. Okay. Instead, he filled the box. Instead of, he want to fill the box with the jewels. But instead of jewels, what he filled, children? He filled the box with the stones, with many stones. Understand? And threw it into the well. Instead of, he filled the box with many stones and threw it into the well. Then what happened next? The thieves saw this. They don't have mind. See, look at how they are thinking. The thieves saw. The robber saw this and wanted to steal that box. So they decided to empty the well. Understand? Then what happened next? They drew water from it all night but could not reach the box. They drew water from it all night but could not reach the box. Why, children? Why they cannot reach the box? Why? The well is so long inside. Okay. There is so much water. Okay. There is so much water. They could not reach the box. So they drew so much of water all the night without sleeping. They drew the water. Then what happened next? They could not find the box. Understand? Then next what happened? Raman woke up. Raman woke up and saw that his garden was watered with the water. Understand? Raman woke up and saw that his garden was watered with the water drawn from the well. He did not pour water from so long onwards, but the thieves poured the water because they want to find that box. But in that box, there are jewels? No, there are no jewels. What the clever Raman kept inside of the box? He kept stones. Instead of jewels, he kept stones. And the thieves thinking that there are many gold. There is so much of gold. Okay, jewels are there. We can find that box and we will give in shop and the shopkeeper can give to us so much of money. Okay, because the gold is more important nowadays. Understand? Okay, the clever, see, look at how he did, the clever Raman. Is it you have, I have, children? We need to cultivate, children. We need to ask God, give me wisdom, not knowledge. We need to ask God wisdom. The thieves, next what happened, children? The thieves realized that they were fooled. Foolish people, look at, the thieves realized that they were fooled and promised never, 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 never steal anyone again. Understand? And promised whom they have promised, children? To clever Raman. The thieves realized that they were fooled. They are promised never to steal anyone again in anyone's house. Understand? Children, we need to have more wisdom, not knowledge. Understand? Always ask God, give me Lord wisdom, not knowledge. Okay? Hope you understood, children, the story about clever Raman and learn the story. Use your wisdom when difficult situations come across. Okay? Use your wisdom when difficult situations come across in our life. Okay? Have a nice day, children.